Maligaya po kaming bumabati ng Happy 40th Anniversary sa People's Television Network. Mabuhay po kayo!
Happy Anniversary, PTV!
Isang marubdob na pagbati sa PTV sa kanyang 40th anniversary. Bilang isang public service station, ako'y nagagalak na umabot siya sa kanyang 40th anniversary at sana'y patuloy yung paglilingkod niya sa ating sambayanang Pilipino.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Masayang Pilipinas. Isang taos-pusong pagbati sa haligi ng broadcast industry. Happy 48th anniversary, PTV.
Binabati ko po ang PTV ng Happy 40th Anniversary. May you continuously provide quality information to our people. Saludo po ako sa inyo.
I want to take this opportunity to also congratulate People's TV for its 40th anniversary, and long may that continue. And I hope that over the next few years we will work as partners and your viewers will continue to enjoy excellent programming.
Isang taus-pusong pagbati sa isang haligi ng broadcast industry. Ito po si Konsehal Romel Agad ng Zamboanga City, bumabati ng Happy 40th Anniversary, PTV.
Yeah, I would like to greet PTV4 on its 40th anniversary, kasing tanda ko pala. And sana yung mga programa nyo matutuloy dahil maraming nanonood tsaka maraming informasyon nakukuha sa PTV4.
To Channel 4, Feliz 40 Aniversario con vosotros todo. Continue keeping up the information and the freedom of the people of the Philippines to the service that we do. To the crew, the members of the Channel 4 community, thank you very much for all the help that you have given the city of Zamboanga, and may God bless you. Muchísimas gracias y vaya con Dios. This is Mayor Beng Climaco on behalf of the people of Zamboanga.